Hi, my friends. I hope you're happy to have me in the class. Yes, we want to look at this equation. This equation is coming from NECO. In Nigeria, we have a set of exam called NECO. This NECO 2025, one of the OBG, one of the OBG questions. So they said a ball of mass 7 kilogram falls from a height of 120 meter. What is its kinetic energy after falling from a distance of 70 meter? Let me show you how to solve it. Now, when you are talking about a body falling freely, a body falling from a height freely, when uh, the when a body is falling freely from a height, we have what we call um, potential energy. We have what is called kinetic energy for a body. Now, when a body is falling from a height, yes, it's falling freely from a height, there will be loss in potential energy because potential energy is the energy. The shortest way of understanding potential energy is that it's energy obtained by body due to its height or due to its position. So let us assume this is the body. Let's say this just the just say this is the height. Okay, this is the height of which the body is falling. Is the body falling. At this point, there is potential energy. At this point where the body, let me put it this way. This is the body now. Let's say this is a stone. This is a stone. At this point, it has what we call potential energy. There is potential energy at this point. Yes. So it has potential energy here. But when the body is now falling, let's say it's not released freely. At this point, potential energy, potential energy is zero, but it will gain kinetic energy. Do you understand? Kinetic energy, there is mg mgh. Why here, kinetic energy of the body when it's falling freely, it is g. So for this body that at this point, when it is at a position, the kinetic energy equals to mgh. Mass, the gravity, acceleration due to gravity, and the height. This kind of height. And this height for this potential, for this body, this height, because we say this height is 120, 120, 120 meter. That's the height. But when this body is now falling from here, maybe as it drop now, from here as it's dropping to the floor, let's say this is the floor, let's say this is the floor, it drop and it takes another height of 70, we call it 70 from here, that height. That's our new height. This new height will be for that of kinetic energy. Okay, I just use this to demonstrate little understanding about this, the body falling freely from a height. So right now, what we are concerned actually is this kinetic energy, because since potential energy is zero, what is left is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equals to mgh, such that our mass of the body is 7 kilogram, 7. Then Acceleration due to gravity is always 9.8 something, 9.8 something like that. And approximately is 10. The height would deal with the new height, which is 70 um, meter, 70 meter. When we calculate that, we're gonna have we're gonna have 4,000. 7 times 10 actually is um, 7 times 10 will give you 70. 70 times 70 will give you 4,900. 4,900. 4,900 um, gram. 4,000. So we are dealing kinetic energy. So now to write this finally, we will need to have dividing this by 1,000, divided by 1,000, so that we have finally our answer to be 4.9, 4.9 kilojoule. G is joule. Actually, D is joule. I wanted to write it that time because energy is measured in joule, right? In joule. So, but when you divide it by 1,000 is joule. When you divide it by 1,000, you have this. This 4 thousand 4,900 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000 will give you finally 4.9 kilojoule. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like this video and share with your friends. Make your comment as well. And if you have questions, drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to have you there. And I will explain in a better way. More better way. God bless you.